The helminth loa, also known as the African eyeworm, is a nematode that can cause loiasis, a disease endemic to West and Central. The disease doesn't occur outside the region except when carried by travelers. There is evidence that individual genetic differences affect susceptibility to developing loiasis after infection by the loa worm. The parasite is spread by deerflies from the genus Chrysops, which can ingest the larva from an infected human via blood meal. When the deerfly bites other humans, it deposits the larva into the bloodstreams. After about 5 months in the human body, some larvae develop into adult worms, which can grow to several centimeters in length and live for years in the subcutaneous tissue of the host. The name eyeworm alludes to the visible migration of the worms across the conjunctiva of the eye. They can often be observed when migrating through the eye and sometimes under the skin. In fact, this is generally how the disease is diagnosed. It is also possible to test for antibodies, but the presence of antibodies doesn't necessarily indicate a current infection. It only means that the individual was exposed at some time. Worms migrating through the conjunctiva can cause temporary eye pain and itching, but generally there is no lasting damage to the eye. The preferred treatment is diethylcarbamazine, but this medication produces severe side effects in some individuals, such as brain inflammation and possible deaths in patients with heavy infections. Albendazole is also sometimes used if diethylcarbamazine is not appropriate and not successful. If left untreated for many years, loiasis can damage kidneys, heart, and lungs, though these symptoms are rare. So that was a detailed lecture on ocular infections. I'm sure that you guys will not be needing any more assistance on this particular topic. Keep watching sqadia.com to learn something new every single day.